Welcome to Kysersis, where we explore the future of technology and how it's reshaping our world. Today, we're diving into a topic that's literally saving lives: how AI is revolutionizing healthcare and medical diagnosis. You don't want to miss this. Imagine a world where a simple smartphone scan can detect cancer, where AI algorithms can predict heart attacks before symptoms even appear, and where diagnosis takes minutes instead of months. This isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now. Let's start with one of the biggest breakthroughs: medical imaging. Traditionally, reading X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans has been a job for highly trained radiologists. But even the best human eyes can miss subtle signs. AI, especially deep learning models, can analyze these images with superhuman accuracy. Tools like Google's DeepMind have developed AI that can outperform radiologists in detecting over 50 eye diseases from a single scan. And it doesn't stop there. AI algorithms are being trained to spot cancers, breast cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, earlier and more accurately than ever before. Early detection is critical because it means treatment can begin sooner, dramatically improving survival rates. Next up, predictive analytics. Imagine being able to predict a heart attack days, weeks, or even months before it happens. AI models trained on patient data like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, genetic markers, and lifestyle factors are making this possible. Researchers at MIT have developed AI that can predict breast cancer up to 5 years in advance. Just think about how many lives could be saved. AI is also making huge strides in personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all treatment plan, AI analyzes an individual's genetic information, medical history, and lifestyle to suggest the most effective treatments. Companies like Tempus and Foundation Medicine are leading the charge in using AI to create hyper-personalized cancer therapies. It's the difference between guessing and precision. Now let's talk about virtual health assistants. We're already familiar with voice assistants like Alexa or Siri, but in healthcare, AI assistants like Ada, Babylon Health, and even apps integrated with ChatGPT are offering preliminary diagnoses based on symptoms, guiding patients on when to seek medical care. They provide support 24/7, reducing the burden on healthcare systems and making healthcare advice more accessible. And for doctors, AI is becoming an indispensable ally. Electronic health records, or EHRs, have long been a source of frustration for healthcare providers. AI is changing that by automating data entry, identifying key information, and even suggesting next steps in patient care. Companies like Nuance, now part of Microsoft, are using AI to listen to doctor-patient conversations and automatically fill in patient charts. This gives doctors more time to focus on patients and less time buried in paperwork. One area that's often overlooked but incredibly exciting is drug discovery. Developing a new drug typically takes over a decade and costs billions. AI is speeding up this process by analyzing massive datasets to identify promising compounds in a fraction of the time. In fact, during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a crucial role in vaccine development and identifying potential therapeutic drugs. Mental health care is also seeing an AI transformation. Platforms like Wobot and Wiser use AI-driven cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to help users manage anxiety, depression, and stress. While these AI therapists aren't a replacement for human therapists, they provide immediate, stigma-free support when someone needs it most. But with all these breakthroughs, there are important challenges too. Bias in AI algorithms is a major concern. If the data used to train an AI is biased, the predictions and diagnoses can be biased too. This is especially dangerous in healthcare, where marginalized communities might already face disparities. Developers and healthcare providers must work together to ensure AI is fair, ethical, and transparent. Privacy is another huge issue. Medical data is incredibly sensitive, and using AI means collecting and analyzing vast amounts of it. Protecting this data from breaches and misuse is absolutely critical. Regulations like HIPAA in the US help, but as AI expands, new safeguards will be needed. There's also the fear that AI could replace doctors. The reality? AI isn't here to replace doctors, it's here to empower them. AI handles repetitive tasks, analyzes huge datasets, and offers insights that no human could achieve alone. But it's still humans who bring empathy, ethical judgment, and nuanced understanding to healthcare. AI is the tool, not the master. Let's take a second to think big. Imagine remote villages where there are no doctors. With AI-powered diagnostic tools, people could get accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations from a mobile device. Imagine global pandemics, where AI models spot outbreaks before they spread across continents. Imagine surgeries, where AI assists in real time, predicting complications before they arise. This isn't just dreaming. Pilot programs are already running in parts of Africa and Asia, where AI diagnostic tools are being deployed in remote areas. Major hospitals are using AI to monitor patient vitals continuously, predicting problems before they become emergencies. Surgeons are using AI to guide robotic arms with unprecedented precision. We're standing on the edge of a new era in healthcare, one where prevention becomes the focus instead of reaction, one where diseases are caught before they develop, one where treatment is tailored perfectly to each individual. Of course, reaching this future will take collaboration. Doctors, engineers, ethicists, policymakers, all will have a role to play in ensuring AI in healthcare grows responsibly and ethically. And we have to ask ourselves some big questions too. Who owns the data generated by AI healthcare systems? How do we ensure access is equitable across all communities? What limits should be placed on AI's role in decision-making? These are hard questions, but they're worth asking, because the upside is incredible. More lives saved, more diseases prevented, better quality of life for millions, maybe billions. So next time you hear about AI in healthcare, don't just think about robots and sci-fi. Think about the cancer survivor whose tumor was detected early by an algorithm. Think about the elderly man whose heart attack was prevented by predictive analytics. Think about the child in a remote village who got the right diagnosis thanks to AI. This is the real power of AI, and it's only just beginning. What are your thoughts on AI in healthcare? Are you excited, nervous, both? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this deep dive into the future of medicine fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe to Kysersis, and stay tuned for more explorations into how technology is reshaping our world. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, the future of medicine might just be a conversation away.